represent the school.
Right. Well, so you told me that you've been in robotics for a really long time.
Yeah.
So how old were you when you first started?
I started when I was 13, actually. I started this brand new school, nervous, but I was looking forward because I heard about this new interesting program called robotics. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot.
And when you first started, did you know about programming, coding? Did you know about engineering? What did you know?
I did not know anything.
But you were interested.
Yeah, I mean, Legos, who wouldn't be interested at that age? I was like, I really think that was interesting. So I started my journey there. Started and became and learned everything that I know now.
So what is your primary role on the team now?
I just became a programmer actually a week ago.
Very nice.
I'm the one that works on the autonomous, and I'm also the engineer still. So I guess in FLL I used to do programming, and it was really interesting always. I was always.
But then you transitioned to engineering when you went to FTC?
Yeah.
Which was also good, right?
Yeah, definitely. I always wanted. I was also the engineering in that FLL, but programming and engineering were always my top ones. So I've always liked incorporating both of them. Now that I'm in FTC, I mean, it's amazing what I can do with a programming or what I can build. It's amazing what we can do as a team now.
And that really ties back into everything because it is a team effort. You know, each individual contributes to the team. But so how has your team grown over this season?
Well, I'm not gonna lie. At first we didn't like any of us. Like we weren't getting along.
We're a bunch of strangers.
Yeah, not gonna lie. Society makes us into different groups, separates us. But robotics brought us together. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I see them and I think that's my family right there. You know, I worked with them so much that I know them so well now. We stay up late after night, 5 in the morning working.
Right.
But we're still there because we care about each other. We really want to work. We really want to go far. And this team became something else. It's not a team for us anymore. It's a family. You know, we get along with everybody now. We talk to each other now. It's amazing what robotics can do.
It's a unifier.
Yeah.
So where do you see this going? So you're in FTC right now?
Yes.
But FRC maybe?
Yes, ma'am.
And when is that going to happen?
Next year, actually. We might actually start our FRC team next year.
So you guys will be rookies as an FRC team next year?
We discontinued the last team because money issues.
But that's exciting though. Yeah. So, I mean, as you go on your journey, you'll do FRC until you graduate, and then what are you going to do?
There, I planned my career on engineering actually. Joining different things, got no idea, but I know I want to do something engineering. I'm really interested, and if I cannot do engineering, well then programming is always there.
That's plan B, which programming's no slouch. People need that. Companies need that, yeah. So what's your advice to students who are in the FLL bracket or looking at this and going, I don't know if I'm smart enough for robotics, or I don't know if I know enough for robotics. What advice would you give to them?
I would actually tell them to give it a shot. I mean, you're not going to lose anything. You should give it a chance, give it an opportunity. You might even find out you like it a lot more than FLL. It's something new, something different. You know, it's like an adventure. You start off, you don't know what you're doing, but once you get along, you actually know what you want to do. You actually know what you would like to do later. This helped me understand lots of things, so I really think people should give this thing a chance, and I believe that this is what FIRST is doing right now. It's telling everybody what robotics is and all this. In El Paso, now most of the high school have robotics. This is their first year. 6 different teams of FTC right there. 6 different high schools in El Paso that started a team.
That's big.
So I think that robotics is really getting big now, and I think US FIRST is doing a great, amazing thing right now.
They are. Yeah, I love it.
It's amazing what they can do and what we can do later on.
Absolutely. So where can folks go to keep up with your team?
Well, they can obviously follow us on usfirst.org.
That's right. And they can also probably Google your team.
Yeah, Google it. Facebook, Instagram.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.